Good morning, everyone. Good morning. We are hanging out over in the Magic Kingdom area for our last day in Disney World. Boo. We have some exciting plans. So right now we are headed into a breakfast reservation at Kona Cafe, and there goes monorail. We're getting a little taste of the Polynesian because we've never been over here before, and Mom is actually staying here in December.
Excited.
So it's a little appetizer for what is to come. So, but I'm excited because we love like Hawaiian style food, so I think this is going to be a really good breakfast. This is really pretty in here.
I guess maybe we won't get lunch.
How's your Tonga toast, Mom?
Delicious.
Is it too rich or is it just right?
It's pretty good.
Yeah? What's the inside look like?
I haven't really gotten in the middle yet, but there's supposed to be some kind of banana business in there.
Banana business.
Let's see. I don't know if I see it. There's a, I guess it's baked in. Ooh, there it is.
Oh yeah, there is definitely a little bit in there.
Banana business.
Is it Mom approved?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Right out to the monorails. Alright, so a little update. We have made it into the pool area, but we have been informed that there are no drinks allowed in the pool. And also, we wanted to go to Trader Sam's and didn't realize that it doesn't open until 3 p.m. because apparently nobody drinks before 3 p.m. in Florida. So, no Trader Sam's for us, unfortunately, but it's just a good excuse to come back at a later date. But we do want to get some drinks from the pool bar. What'd you get, babe?
I like pina coladas.
Getting caught in the rain. Is it good? Yeah?
Actually can taste the rum.
Ooh. So the rum is not always gone.
It's true. Well, at least it's gone and then it gets in my belly.
Oh yeah, that's pretty true. So we got a nice view right now though. If you look over across the water, you can actually see some of the different attractions at Magic Kingdom. So we can zoom in right here, get a little view of Space Mountain. And I know I saw the castle earlier, but now I think it's tucked behind the trees. This is probably the closest that you've been to Magic Kingdom since 4th grade, right? 5th grade. So how does it make you feel?
Heebie-jeebies.
Heebie-jeebies. Someone won't go to Magic Kingdom with me. You will go, eventually. It will happen. Surprise! We are back in Galaxy's Edge because we couldn't stay away. So we had landed in Oga's reservation like a couple days before we came down, just in case we wanted to come back on the Sunday night before we leave. And it turns out we did want to come back on the Sunday night before we leave, and we convinced my parents to come with. So,
I didn't come opening day, so.
No, so this is Mom's first time in Galaxy's Edge. What do you think so far?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm really there. This is the land.
Here it is. So we're on Batu. So we actually just got off the Smuggler's Run ride again. We actually waited in line this time, and we were the pilots. Well, I was a pilot, Mom was a gunner.
Yes.
It was a good time, had by all. Good family fun, and now I am about to build my very own lightsaber so that Craig and I can duel in the basement together as every good married couple should do. So,
I'll have to keep an eye on them.
Now, let's build.
Welcome travelers, my name is
going. It's good, it's just remembering which way is right and which way is left. But we sent you to school for that.
This is health, complete and strong. Very nice.
There it is.
And remember,
Oh.
White on the set.
Got my finished product. So we just had dinner, but I wanted to show off my masterpiece. So I went with the Elemental in Nature hilt for my lightsaber and used a violet kyber crystal because I am a lone wolf of the galaxy, apparently. Yeah, pretty cool. It's actually really, really heavy, so as we showed you earlier with Craig's lightsaber, but I like it. It's very me, so very pleased. Looking forward to many a lightsaber duel in my future. So now we head back to Batu for our Oga's Cantina reservation. So that's gonna be good. We're about to get some cocktails. Hey! So we're about to head into Oga's Cantina. The limit, I believe, is 2 drinks per person, and we have 45 minutes to down them, which is not enough time for me. But here we go. What's catching your eye, Craig?
Yep, nope.
Yep, nope.
These are my two, the two that I like the most.
What are they?
The Slug Slinger and the Jet Juice.
What is that? Bourbon?
Slug Slinger is kind of margarita-esque.
Okay.
And then the Jet Juice is Maker's Mark, chili liqueur, acai liqueur, white grape juice, and lemon juice.
That sounds good. Are you getting it because it sounds like Boba Fett?
No, I'm getting it because it has bourbon and I like bourbon.
Ah. This is wonderful. Just beautiful.
Jet Juice?
Jet Juice. Looking to go somewhere fast?
What?
Looking to go somewhere fast?
Always.
Jet Juice and help.
You want it? What did you get, Mom?
Batteries.
This is I think it's called Rhodian Rations. Yes. Interesting. With alcohol. Thank you.
Well set, you're
So
welcome.
do you drink it? It's like Jello shots. Jello shots. What? It has Tito's handmade vodka, DeKuyper pucker, sour apple, green apple Sprite, sour balls with a pop. Interesting. What'd you get, Craig?
Jet Juice.
Jet juice. How about you?
Red wine,
Red wine. In the
Also-
spirit.
also known as the Imperial Guard,
Yeah? Are you part of the Imperial Guard now?
as you know.
As far as I know? That sounds dangerous. You watch your back. I got a lightsaber. You gonna give it a try? Okay. What that stuff was on top. Here we go.
Alright, folks, we'll be with you in just a second, okay?
Now that, not bad for a drink. For a drink. So interesting.
Let's go to this underworld. We got bad people doing bad things. Real fast.
Can you give it this? Cheers!
We're gonna be with you guys in just a minute, okay?
I kind of want a droid.
Not right now.
We're gonna save it for next time. Can't do everything all at once. Alright, well I think this about puts a wrap on all of our adventures in Batu this weekend. So We are sadly heading out tomorrow morning, so this really is the grand finale, but I'm so glad that we came back. We got this beauty all built right here, and we went to Oga's, and that was something that we did not get to do and we're very regretful of on opening day. But it's been an amazing, amazing weekend, and I hope you've enjoyed following our adventures. So if you like this video for real this time, please hit that subscribe button and come say hi to me on my social media. It's been a pleasure showing you Galaxy's Edge this weekend. Until the next time, may the spires keep you.